How to create password on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Then tap on your profile icon. Now go to the settings icon. After that, go to account security. Now go to password and tap send. So in order to set your password, first you will have to add a mobile number. After bounding your mobile number, simply tap on password and tap on set. Now create a password, confirm your password, make sure your password is completely secure and unique. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.